Hi guys, this is Rita on the road. I'm on the MSC seashore and here you see the kids swimming pool. Over there you have two blue slides. They go over the ship. You can see it over there. You have a small one over here. There you have the little kids swimming pool. It's a bit cold, I think, even in the Caribbean. You have two more slides over there, little ones, and you have a big one on the right side. It's with tubes. It's very cool. I'm gonna show you a bit closer. It's very windy today, but I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.